Hey guys, Corey London here, MSIGuy.com, where I show ordinary folks how to multiply their income, make side income, and have multiple streams of income all at the same time. And in today's video, I'm here to show you how you can make $1,000 per month with people per hour. I'm excited. I hope you are too. Let's get started. All right. People per hour. Hey, now people per hour is kind of like a Fiverr where you kind of sell gigs or you buy gigs, whatever you want to do. But everybody knows about Fiverr. Everybody knows about like Upwork. And some of you may not, but there's other videos that I've made about those, and I'll have them in the description as well. But people per hour is just another area is that is if you have special skills that you can sell, like graphic design, website building. You can make templates, posters, you creative writing if you're a ghostwriter or you know how to write blog posts, things like that. So that's basically what people per hour is, and nothing really super special about it, nothing new or breathtaking. It's just that a lot of people do not know about this one, and you guys know me, I like to share things that a lot of people are not aware of. So people per hour, basically, let's go into how it works. It's peopleperhour.com, obviously, and it's pretty much 4 simple ways to get started. You can, browse the hourly fixed price offers ready to start immediately. Now, this is basically if you want to buy these graphics and things like that. And you may be saying, well, I'm not a graphic guy or anything like that, and I wasn't. I used to buy all of my graphics, the ones that I use for my YouTube thumbnail. You have to create those. My blog posts, feature pictures, you have to create those. And even your blog post, a lot of people don't have the knack to write, so they usually would get somebody like on a people per hour or Upwork or Fiverr and let them do it and just pay them. But over time, I learned how to do it myself, and I found out how crazy easy it is. I mean, it takes you about 5 minutes to make a thumbnail, and people were charging me $5 for a simple thumbnail. And if you want something really elaborate, the price can go up, and that's where this comes into play. Now I can go on here and post a job or sell my services and make the money that I was paying to do the same things now, and you would be amazed how easy this is. So for those of you who are in the the internet marketing space, or you have a business, or you sell products or anything like that, and you want custom photos with nice text on the pictures in order to display what you're trying to do, this is a place that you can go to. Or if you already know how to do it, this is a place that you can go do it for others and get paid. So basically, it's simple. You can come to peopleperhour.com. You can click into the sign up if you don't have already have an account, or log in, and let's hit the sign up button. And everywhere is giving you the option to sign up with Facebook now, and some are doing it with Google Plus, and as you can see, sign up with LinkedIn if you already have a profile with those guys. But you just fill out some basic information: your first name, your last name, your email address, password, where you're located. And if you're signing up to be a buyer, where you want to buy services from people, obviously you would click there. In our case, we're interested in being a seller, but you might want to just do both, so you can kind of see all of the areas back there. So I usually have already have an account. So let me see if I can sign up in here, and actually I'm gonna go to login. So I go to log in. I log in with my Facebook account. I don't know why it does this, but there it is. Okay, I'm having a little bit of problems. Look like it. Sign on up in there. I may edit this part out so you guys don't have to worry about all of this. But let me log in and I'll come right back. All right, guys, I'm back. And this is basically after you log in, you'll come to your page where it says "Good afternoon, Corey." You can do that. As you can see down here, it tells you what open jobs that they have available. Post a job for free. So post a job basically meaning you want to you want to post a skill, a job skill, whether that be creative writing, whether that be graphic design, website building, like we say. And pretty much what you need to get done, pick a category. Okay, look like I made a mistake. This is the part where if you're looking for a job, we want to go and find out, we want to actually make money, and we want to actually make money and actually do freelancers. That's where we go. We want to find freelancers. That's people, that's going to be us, but we want to sell our services. So you just go to sell, and then you can see post hourly. So basically, you're going to have to go down here and tell them a little bit about who you are. Select your skills, what skills that you are qualified to sell your services in. Add references, maybe some jobs you did for people before. You can add those. Set your on-site preferences and personalize your application. That's pretty much just doing a little bit of what's so special about you, how fast you work, so forth and so on. So tells you why to apply. So guys, come here. I don't want to spend a whole bunch of time. I just wanted to actually show you that this site exists. You might want to come here and check it out yourself and see if it's something where you can make money off of. And you got to think about it. You're not going to be doing this 8 hours a day. You could if you want to, but basically, if you do 2-3 hours a day and you get to charge what you want. So if you do $10 an hour, you work 4 hours a day, and you do it 5 days a week. You know what I'm saying? And then you do that for a month. Obviously, that's probably $1,000 or very close to it. So peopleperhour.com. I just wanted to put that out there. If there's any other ones out there that I didn't mention outside of Upwork, Fiverr, and People Per Hour, please leave it in the notes, in the comments, so I can maybe do a video and let people know that there's other options that are out there. And hey, if you like these videos and you think that this was helpful to you or maybe someone else, and you want to see more of these videos, please hit the smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, share it with somebody you think will benefit from it, and because I definitely appreciate it, and I'll continue to keep on finding the jobs. I like to do the homework so you can find out how to work from home. That's basically my motto. So hey, Corey London again, MSIGuy.com, and until the next time, you guys keep on reaching for the sky.